Welcome to Joyce's Sweet Kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to make this shortbread, the Scottish bread. The problem of Scottish bread is shortbread. You know that is very expensive to buy. You can just make it in your kitchen with 3 ingredients and a pinch of salt. Very easy. So today I will be showing you how to make it, the easiest way to make it. So come with me and let's get started. Today I will be showing you how to make Scottish bread or shortbread. The problem of shortbread is over. So today I will be showing you how to make it in your own kitchen without running up and down to find out where you can buy it. So let me take you to the ingredients. You just need 3 ingredients and pinch of salt. So to start with, we have icing sugar. I have 1.5 cup of icing sugar that I have sieved. I have 4 cups of flour, plain flour that I have, all-purpose flour that I have sieved. I have 250 grams of butter, melted butter, room temperature, as you can see. So what we are going to do now, we have to put our flour, add your salt, mix it very well together, then add your icing sugar. You can use the normal sugar, but I prefer icing sugar. So mix very well. Mix the icing sugar. You can see me doing. It's very easy. You can do it in your own kitchen. So mix the butter. It doesn't stick to your hand. You know that it's ready. Let's set our pan. Keep this aside and let's set our pan. So as you can see, I transfer it to my transparent film. So what Italian call pellicola. So I put one under and I put on top so that it will not stick to my work surface. So use your wound to stretch it. So make sure you have this kind of stretching wound. So don't make it to be flat. Make it to be at least like 1 inch, a little bit thick, so that you will have that shortbread thickness in it. Don't make it to be too flat. So as you can see, I have oiled my pan and put a little bit of flour. So I have turned on my oven. So what I will do, so you have to cut it to your preferred size. So I will be winding my know it's not perfect. Take your fork to give it that that shortbread style. Don't dip it to the end of the dough. Just put it a little bit on top. So as you can see, I have put it in the pan. So let's put carry it to the oven to bake for at least 10 to 12 minutes on 180 degree. Guys, as you can see, our Scottish bread is ready. Our shortbread is ready. You can see it. A little golden at the back and light gold at the front. This is the brownness that you need. You don't have to burn it. So after bringing it out from the oven, you have to leave it to cool down. Otherwise, when you bring it out, it will be soft. But when you leave it to cool, it will be like this. Let's give it a taste. You can see it. When you break it like this, it will be like this. So I'm very hungry. I will be eating it with my homemade juice. So let's give it a taste. Mamma mia. It's very sweet. This time that your kids are at home, you can make it, eat it with juice in the afternoon. So very sweet, guys. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video and give it a like, and turn on bell notifications so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And follow me in my other social media platform in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you next time in my other episodes. Bye bye.